Whenever we interface any sensor with any microcontroller, we sometimes require to store the data from the sensor. And if we want to store the real-time data of the sensor, then there are many applications or tools available online, and one of them is PLX DAC. DAC basically means data acquisition system, where we can store the result from any sensor and then we can analyze it, and then we can actually use it to create any functions, or to finally find out what is actually happening with the sensor using the data of the real-time sensors. Okay, so here I am going to show you how we can actually store the real-time data of sensor, and I am going to interface one LDR sensor with the Arduino Nano. LDR is basically a light dependent resistor whose value depends on the intensity of light falling on it. And here is the circuit I have interfaced here. I hope you can see this. This one is the Arduino Nano, and here is the LDR, which is, this circuit is actually very simple because the idea is to show you how we can actually store the data of LDR to the MS Excel. So now let's see how we can actually change a little bit in the Arduino IDE code, and how we can download and install the PLX DAC, and how we can actually store the data of LDR to the MS Excel. So first of all, we need to install the PLX DAC, and this is the link to install the PLX DAC for the Windows, and by clicking here it will start downloading. So I will put the link in the description so that you can download it easily. And then let me just show you how we can actually implement this on the Arduino IDE, and then I will show you how you can actually use the MS Excel to store the real-time data of your sensor. Okay, so this one is the Arduino IDE here, and so first of all I have initialized here A1 for the LDR, because I have connected my LDR to the first pin of analog A1 to store the analog data of the LDR. And then in void setup I have initialized up the baud rate 9600, then clear data, and then this function, actually the println function here with the label, then time, started time, date, analog value, and the percentage of LDR, which is actually the analog value in the percentage form of the LDR. This will be the actual order of data which will show on the MS Excel. Okay, and this is the reset timer. So in the void loop, and first of all I have declared this function analog read to store, to actually print the analog data of the LDR, and then store those analog data of the LDR to the integer named LDR underscore val. Okay, and then the same data I am going to print on the MS Excel here with the data, time, timer, and then the date. Okay, and then at last I am going to print the LDR value, and again the LDR value, just because so that this will match with this array. Okay, and then at last I am going to use the delay of 100 milliseconds. So let's just go to the tools now. Select Arduino Nano, Atmega 328P, that's the processor, actually bootloader, and then port, my port is COM7. Okay, so this COM7 is actually important because you will have to select the COM on the MS Excel also, and as well as the baud rate. Okay, so first of all let's upload this code. Okay, so the code is uploaded here, and here as you can see in this folder that after downloading and installing the PLX DAC, you will see the folder like this. Okay, so just double click on this PLX DAC here, select OK, and then this window of the data acquisition will pop up here. So what you need to do is to select the port here, as I have already mentioned that my Arduino Nano is connected to the COM7 and the baud rate is 9600. So now just click connect here. Okay, so now you can see that all the real-time data is getting stored to the MS Excel with the time, started time, date, analog value, and the LDR percentage. You can also store any like any digital data or any two data from simultaneous sensors. Okay, so and let's see that if suppose that if you also want to see the graph. Okay, so the real time graph. So let's just select this whole column, go to the insert, and then select this. Okay, so here you can see that this graph is actually the real time graph of the LDR analog data. So now I am going to block the light. See, so the actual changes in the value you can see here in the graph also. So in this way you can actually implement the data acquisition system to your Arduino Nano or any Arduino actually using the MS Excel, because Arduino IDE in the Arduino IDE you cannot actually store the data in a serial monitor or serial plotter. Okay, so you will have to copy all the data and then you will have to again paste those data to the MS Excel, and then you will have to plot the graph. So that's a very tedious job. So in this way you can actually implement this back to your any Arduino system on the MS Excel. So hope this video will help you in your any project or in your any prototype, and hope you will like the video. Thank you.